What the heck? They just issued one a second ago.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm.
And this didn't go off for some reason. Don't know why.
County in Big Bend, Florida. Southern Madison County in Big Bend, Florida. Until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
You just
At 2:43 p.m. Eastern
You
Standard
just
Time.
issued one. Why not make it a freaking double header?
Moving north at 55 miles per hour. Hazard,
Yeah, that's
60
enough.
miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail
You
damage
just
to vehicles
issued an
is expected.
SVR.
Expect wind damage to
Why?
roofs, siding, and trees.
Why?
Locations impacted
Hey, it's gonna
include
hurt outside.
Leo, Harry, Steenhatchee, Greenville,
Yeah, there's gonna be a 10-0.
Buckville, Decker Beach, Jack Lee Island, Foley, Salem, Harry Foley Airport, San Pedro Junction, Hampton Springs, Sermons, Shady Grove, Cedar Island, Fish Creek, and Cook's Hammock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties. In Florida, Madison and Taylor.
Oh. There we go.
Your radio station KIH24 in Tallahassee, Florida.
What I'm surprised about is that we haven't gotten a tornado warning yet.